from Jordan. Somebody what? You have to ask her who made it. It's pretty cool. Jordan gave it to you, right? She probably not, maybe not.
Go with him, Cameron. Go. Run with him.
Whose bags aren't put in the line? Put in the line.
I started drive in. He's going to get an old beat up the roll. Yeah, I know. Oh, that's right. Yeah, you're right.
Way to go, Nathan.
Come on, Cam, run.
Go.
With them.
That's a goal.
Nice.
1-0. Right through the bread basket. He's right.
Go with it, go.
Go, run. Push up.
Go get it. Come on, come on.
Stop it right down the line. Well, all right. Clear it out.
Go, run, Cam.
Good job, mate.
Right out.
Clear.
Run, Cam.
Way to go, Brody.
Go in.
Stay with it.
Well, get it up. Yeah. Oh.
Get back, Cam. Get it.
Hey, remember, guys, the other side, other side.
Go.
Run with them, Cam. Run with them.
Nice.
There it is.
Nice.
Go.
Oh. Play hard. Yeah, we'll sit down.
There you go.
Just through your foot, come on. Guys, come on.
Come on, Ian, take it, Ian.
Go get it. Go, Cam. Go. Help them out.
Go, go,
Nice
go.
pass. Run wide.
Go, take it. Forget about this camera.
Good. Get Noah, quick. Okay, defense, move up a little. Remember, the guys, no offsides. Go. Hey, go. Go, Sonny. Go. Hey, watch the ball, guys.
Come on, give him something.
Nice, Eric. Go. No, come on, man. Here we go. No, go to him. Go to him. One of you.
Brody.
Just the one. No, that's yours, Noah. Come on, Noah. Good job, baby. There we go. Come on.
Keep going, keep going.
Pick it up.
Remember to the outside, Bryce. Just kick it to the outside. You guys.
Chest, head. Better throwing.
There you go.
Come on. Nice, keep going. Keep the ball. Go, go, go. Jump in. There we go. Nice pass.
Outside.
Guys, we need to get the ball. Come on.
Back it.
Nice, bro.
Go, go, go. Pressure. Pressure. That's your side, Hunter. For somebody. That's it. Good ball. Good job.
I know, right? All right, big kick, Bryce.
Good ball. That's it.
One short, one long, right through.
Go, go. Get it. Nice ball. Hit them on the sides, guys. Come on. Hey, crap. Peter, Peter.
What was that?
Peter, that's good ball.
Let's go, bro. Give and go. Let's get in the game. Let's make some runs. Down the lines. Give and go. Triangles.
Drop back, guys. Drop back. Bryce.
Go, 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 That's beautiful. Archie, back on. Archie, go, Archie, go.
Jude, Cooper, and Nick.
Good job, man. Back to your spot, guys. Back to your spot. Come on.
Winston in front of the ball.
Back up, RJ. Back up, RJ.
Ethan, back towards the middle some.
Go.
Keep playing, guys.
Go. Come on, take a side.
Cut!
Outside, outside.
Pick. Go, clear out, push out. Give him somebody to pass to. Oof. Oof.
Hey, hey,
Take it to the goal.
Alex, on the side.
There you go, Matt. Bam.
Punch it. Let's go. Let's get in the game. Push it up. Push. Pass. There you go. Support to the middle. Ugh.
Go, Messi! Kill him! Stop! Good ball! No, we're right there. Stop! Defense, back up!
Fight for.
Here!
Go around you, Will! Nice ball, Lee! Go! Go, shoot it! Oh, nice ball! Beautiful, beautiful.
You got to drive it into open space. Open space.
Behind you.
Spread out, White.
Watch the middle, Ethan.
Go, Matrix!
There you go. There you go. Oh, that's short. Go right there. Right there. One, no, fight it. Come on, Archie. Archie, come on. Good job, Archie. Good job, Archie. One, no, move up. Move up. Come on, no, that's yours. Good, good. Hurry, hurry, good. Quick. Go, Hunter. Keep going with the ball. Keep going with the ball. RJ, throw in. No, get in field, RJ. Put the ball down. Down sideline. Nice ball. Go, Messi. Hit it. Come on, guys. Go, Messi. Rebound.
Yeah, I know. Eventually, but it's
Hate the ball. Come on. Line the 3 players. Come on.
Is that under your name?
Saya, hit the ball. Come on.
Figured it was, but I didn't know if maybe you changed it. Yeah. I'll get the money for a
There you go.
Go, move up a little bit. Go, move up a little bit. RJ, what's more?
I did that to friggin' brush their teeth and clean their room. Oh.
Go. Stay with it, Matt.
Cut the ball off.
Nice.
Go. Drop back.
In the middle, Brody. In the middle.
There you go.
There it is. Let's go.
Clear. Go. Push out.
Go wide.
Defense, step up.
Pass. Ah. Guys, hold on to it. Oh, it's too long.
Beat the ball.
Go to the center. Center it. There you go. Shoot.
Pick it up.
Shoot.
Clear it. Go get it, Cam.
Control it, Cam.
More of that.
Nice, Cam.
Adam better put one on.
Guys, who wants it? Come on. Out! Out! Come on! Go hard! Out! Christian, get that now. Archie, quick! Press the ball! Touch it! Hit it!
Right! Here, stay with it!
Hey!
Get out of there.
It's your draw, Ryan!
Take up the corner, what's that, Ryan?
Give him somebody!
Take it.
Get it, Matt!
Cut it off. Good job.
Get it!
There you go, Matt!
Good job.
Lester in the middle!
Stay with it!
Go!
Go. Push up, Brody. Good try. Yes, we made it. I'm recording the game for the coach.
Noah! William, stand up! Noah! Out! Will! Hunter, you're halfback now! Hunter, halfback!
Clear it.
William! Hill! Left forward! Hey!
Let's get in the game.
Excellent job, Cameron.
Stop, Kane! Handball! It's your ball, guys! We stay in the back. Come on! Go to the player! Look for somebody! Jay, stay in the back. Stay in the back. Stay in the back. Come on, Michael, big throw. When they go to the ball, let's move it with them, okay? So he'd be the last man.
Good try, guys. Drop back,
Back up a little bit. Hey, guys, somebody here. Go, Hunter.
No.
Peter, come on. Hit the ball, Peter. Hit it. Nice ball. Again. No, take it up, go. Go, quick. Go, Messiah. Hey, guys. Look, we RJ, throw it. Hunter, put the ball down. Get field. Well, Peter playing the front. Peter. Nice ball. Gio, stay the last man.
Ethan, watch the center.
Defense, get back there.
Oh, yeah.
You have two teams pretty much.
I know that's one thing that's bad about it.
Go, John Mark! Open it back!
Cut him off.
All right, push him out.
Brody. Breathe in through the nose. Out. Get in the game. Don't be in no man's land.
That's you, Matt.
Messi, go! Shoot! Rebound, Hunter! Action. Keep going, Peter. Peter, move up. Get right by. Take the player up. Still the pass. Still the pass. Okay.
Go wide.
Come on, Noah.
There you go.
That's it. Get your head up. Pass. Good ball. Keep going.
Run with them.
Get rid of it.
Good job, Caleb.
Nice. Oh. Shoot. 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 Too long.
Hey, Peter. Number one, stay with him. Stay with him. Right there. Right there.
No.
That guy, yeah. Exactly. Go, go deep. Hey, you got this, boys. Hey, great ball, guys.
Shoot.
Get it out. Get it out.
Shoot.
Get it out.
Not even two touching it.
There you go, Brody.
Good job, guys.
Let's go, Matrix.
There you go.
Cut the ball up.
Come on, Cooper.
Corner. There you go. All the way. 2-on-1.
Step up, Caleb.
Pass.
Right up.
Oh. Guys gotta separate.
Run, Cameron, up. Help him out.
Cross. There you go. Drive it down the left side. Make a run forward. Run. Don't wait for him. Shoot! Shoot! What is he? Why are you dribbling so long?
Go!
Nice.
Come on, guys, somebody shot.
Right back. Nice. Oh.
Get that
Clear
ball,
it.
Lester. Get that ball.
Take it to the side, right up the wing. There you go. Ah.
Great job, Nathan. Way to work together, guys. Get back, Brody. Get back in the center, bro. Get back in the center, bro.
Support.
Lester, shut him down.
Take the ball. It's out. There you go, Lester. Good try.
Handball.
Go.
Go. Run up, bro. Let's go. Where's that to?
That's it. Go, James. Go. Put pressure on the ball. There you go. Go, Brody. Stay down.
Cross field. Good pass. Oh.
Hey, good ball, Sam. Good ball, good ball, good ball.
There you go.
There you go. There you go. Shoot. Shoot. Why are you dribbling so long? Shoot when you're in the box. Brazilian dribbling in the goal.
Hey, Brody, hot trick.
Stop. Harder, DR.
You have a bigger goal when you're further out.
William, it's your ball, William. No, hurry up, William.
Come on, Matrix.
Pressure. Come on. Hey, go. Up. Get it. Take it.
Better make this a good throw and you're on camera. Oh. Just kidding. Back to the goal.
Get that ball, Jude.
Run with it.
Good.
Center.
One, kick Garrett, go. Hey, stay in the back, and go. Stay in the back. Nice, Will.
Use your head. Nice. Oh, why is it went under your foot?
Go.
There you go.
There you go.
Yeah, offside.
Back up, get the back up.